Remove battery and screws placed under it. Pry up rubber covers at bezel corners and remove screws. Take something plastic that could be used as spudger and carefully insert it between LCD bezel and cover near removed screw. Then gently move it to top face of LCD case and unclick securing latches one by one. To unclick bottom part of bezel, pry up its top edge and pull it towards you. In same way unclick rest of bezel. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts. Remove screws that secures hinges on LCD cover. Now you need to remove LCD from hinges. To do this, you need to remove screws on left and right hinge. Carefully pull cables up and unscrew each of these screws. Now pull up top face of LCD and turn it around the axis of lower face. And remove LCD cable. To install new LCD, repeat same steps in reverse order. In description of this video you can find useful links to various laptop disassembly tools and parts.